Hello viewers, welcome to Top 5 Check. With our review, we will assure that you're getting the best product available on the market. Please do check the product link in the description given below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this every day. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Best charcoal smoker. People love to brag about cooking with charcoal after spending a lot of money purchasing smoked meat from restaurants. You're wondering if you can make this type of meat at home. The answer is absolutely yes. So we've pulled together a list of best charcoal smoker available on the market. Number 1. Weber Smoky Mountain Cooker. The first bite of tender, fall off the bone meat makes taking it low and slow worthy every moment. The Smoky Mountain Cooker smoker has 2 cooking grates for smoking multiple items at once and easy adjustable bumpers for precision heat control. There is nothing quite like waiting all day for dinner. Number 2. Charcoal Griller Acorn Kamado Charcoal Grill. Looking for great searing, smoking and superior low and slow cooking? Look no further than the Charcoal Acorn Kamado Charcoal Grill. With features like an easy bump ash pan and dual adjustable bumpers, the grill is easy to use and delivers great results. Cast iron grates and a warming rack makes cooking for the whole crew a breeze. Number 3. Dyna Glow Vertical Offset Charcoal Smoker. The Dyna Glow Charcoal Smoker gives you a truly distinct flavor and a wealth of custom cooking options. The smoker has a gorgeous 1,175 square inches of cooking space to give space to cook a variety of food at the same time. The Dyna Glow smoker can help you achieve that professional smokehouse flavor you've been searching for in your steaks, ribs, and chicken. Number 4. Dyna Glow Signature Series Charcoal Smoker. Take your block party to the next level with the vertical charcoal smoker from the Dyna Glow Signature Series. Ideal for capturing maximum smoke flavor, this vertical smoking machine will give you wowing your neighbors in no time with perfectly smoked brisket, kebabs, and stuffed portobellos on the 3 chrome-plated cook grates. Let your Dyna Glow do the work while you relax and savor the smoke aromas. Number 5. Charbroil the Big Easy True Infrared Smoker. Charbroil the Big Easy 3-in-1 smoker roaster and grill outdoor whether you're smoking ribs, roasting chickens, or grilling steaks. The Big Easy Infrared Smoker, Roaster and Grill is your secret to delicious mouth-watering meals. True infrared heat allows you to cook without oil, so you get to enjoy the delicious taste of your food without the extra fat. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.